Hey, Northern Downpour vloggers. I forgot what I was gonna say there for a moment. Yeah. I've been kind of busy. That's why I didn't do last week. Not last week, but the week before that. My last time I was supposed to do it, didn't do it because I was really busy that week. And then I was like, oh, well, I'll have time to do it tomorrow and I'll just be a little bit late. Just be a little bit late. And then it's my week again and I finally have time to do it. So, yeah. Ashley asked what was like a thing that I bought that really wasn't worth it. And we've all had those little things that you buy something and you don't use it or anything. I bought something, I didn't really much think that it's not worth it. It's just that I don't use it as much as I thought I wanted. Like, I want to. I bought the Lord of the Rings Monopoly set. And I hardly ever use it. Like, I've used it once, I think, since I bought it. And I bought it, like, 5 years ago. Because I really thought it's a board game. So you're thinking, yeah, we're gonna, like, wait, what is that? Sorry. I was thinking, well, it's a board game, you know, I have 2 younger sisters, so I'm like, oh, we're all gonna play it. It's gonna be awesome. But apparently my sisters don't like to play what they called geek-related games, even though it's Monopoly. So I spent that money buying it, and I don't even use it. But I don't throw it away or give it away or sell anything because it has the cute little figurines, and instead of the hotels, it has little castles. Yeah, I'm a dork like that. Okay, the other question was, Tori asked, what's my favorite pair of shoes? Actually, I'm wearing them right now, and I'm gonna take them off. I love, most of the shoes I have, or I have like a pair of sandals, even though I live in California, I have like 2 pairs of sandals and that's it. I'm not that much of a sandal person. I have a couple of dress shoes, like 2 pairs of flats. I have a pair of Vans. They're white and have like the turquoise colored hippo on them, but I don't wear those that much either. But these are the shoes that I wear, and every time I buy a new pair of Converse, I always do the same thing. I've been doing the same thing. I write Hey Moon on them. It's my thing. It's what I do. Every time I get a new pair, I start writing on them. My mom and dad get really mad because they're like, you just bought this new pair of shoes. Shouldn't you keep them white? And I'm like, but that's my thing. I do Hey Moon. And some people make fun of me, and some people get it, and some people ask if it's about the children's book, Goodnight Moon. And I have to explain to them. I'll let them know who Panic at the Disco is and everything, but yeah, those are my favorite pair of shoes because they say Hey Moon. So yeah. Ah! See, this is what happens. That's what happens when you like prop my little camera on one of these, which is a cassette tape holder thingamajigger. I don't know what the proper name is. I'm just gonna say a tape holder. A cassette tape holder, yeah. These are my mom's, and I needed something more because like normally the camera eye level is like around here. And I have to like kind of go like this. But I thought, oh, I can elevate it. Well, I did, and look what happened. It knocked the camera down. Now I'm just babbling. Question. Oh man, I'm drawing a blank. Oh, what's your... There was just a really weird noise that just came out of the kitchen. Nobody's here besides me. Okay, hopefully it's not like some creepy animal. Okay, what's your favorite place to get sandwiches from? I've heard, my friend has told me a lot about this place called Jimmy John's. She keeps raving about it, and everybody that I know that's tried it raves about it too, so I've been wanting to try that. But so far, my favorite place to get a sandwich is Panera. And I love Panera. I love getting their Chipotle chicken sandwich because it's just really good because they grill the bread. It's like a grilled bread thingamajigger, and it has like chicken and bacon. It's turkey bacon. And it has tomatoes. And it has like a light layer of Chipotle sauce on it. So good. Oh my god. Yeah, plus it's like the only Panera that's the closest to me, it's by the beach. It's like literally 2 blocks away from the beach. So usually I end up going to Panera and then going to the beach and like just hanging out with my friends and stuff. So usually whenever I go to Panera, it's always a good experience. But yeah, so let me know what your favorite sandwich places are. And if anybody's tried Jimmy John's, please let me know, because I have an obsession with Jimmy John's even though I've never tried it. Okay, this video has gone on for far too long. See you guys later. Bye.